dolls, welcome back to your girl's channel. I'm back with another look. I couldn't help myself, guys. I went back into the Morphe palette, the 24A Artistry palette, and I created this look. I don't really know what to call it, and it was very easy to do as well, this look. So dolls, what do you think of this look? And let me know. If you like this look, please comment below and let me know what you think. Today we are going to go straight back in the 24A Artist Pass palette from Morphe. I love this palette. I just received it a couple days ago. I've done a look on it already, but I can't wait to knock out some more looks. So this is the second look from this palette. So let's get started. I'm going to put all my face products on, and then I'm going to start with the eyes. First thing I'm going to do is prime my face. So I'm using the Makeup Academy primer oil. I'm just using a bit of Illuminator. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go straight into my foundation. You really do not need a lot. That will literally do. Add this concealer first. It's quite similar to my skin and it's really thick as well. It's creamy, so I like that about it. And I feel like it does really help to hide my dark spots and all of that good stuff. And then I add my lighter concealer on top. I'm gonna go in my LA Girl Pro Concealer in color Tawny, and this concealer is quite light. I'm just gonna pop this on. I love the applicator on this. It's so handy. It's perfect for the eye. It's perfect to distribute the product, and I really like it. Contour from NYX Cocoa. It's the color this is in, and this is almost finished. I'm gonna get the little bit of foundation that I put in my plate, and I'm just gonna add that in the areas where there's no products and where I want my foundation to be, really. I'm just getting in there. And that's that. So I'm gonna blend out the concealer first. So start with the concealer. Gonna blend out this contour. Finally, I'm gonna blend out the foundation because I feel like that will tie the concealer and the contour together. Gonna get this contour off now. Gonna go in and bake this face now. I'm gonna go in with a little Sacha Buttercup. Gonna go in with my Hoola bronzer. Bronze up this face, honey. I love bronzing my face. It just adds so much dimension because I just got a round face. I've got a round, long face. So I love contouring with powder. Gonna go in with my blush, Pincho Peach blusher from MAC. So that is done. I'm gonna gonna just add my Helen E fixing gel on these brows. I'm just giving them a nice comb, and when you do that, can you see how much they just open up? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. Yeah, this is in color chocolate, and I'm just gonna follow the shape of my brows. So I just go in and I neaten up my brow first, and then I just bring down the rest to my lids. Put security down first. Okay, so put security down first, and this is going to be like a transition color. I was just basically just pressing more color into this crease because I like my creases to be, well, it's not a crease, but the side of my eye, because I like that area to be quite dark. Okay, so now we're gonna go into desert vibes. Is that desert or dessert? Desert. I think it's desert vibes. It looks like the desert, so it can't be dessert. And I'm just gonna pop that right here over that color. Just went back in with security. So I'm going to cut my crease, and I am going to use the Vaseline trick to do so. Then I'm just using a baby white to finish off that cut. I'm just going to go back into my PLouise base, and I'm actually going to use that to cut my crease because it's just right here in the pan. Why not? Okay, so I'm going to go in with Get the Shot, and that's what I like to hear. I like these names in this palette, they're quite nice. I'm going to go in with Get the Shot, and I don't even know, I think this is like more of like a mustardy color, I would say. Going back with security. And then back with desert vibes, and I'm just gonna add that back. I'm using the Better Than Sex liquid liner today. My NYX was running out, so I'm gonna go back to this one. This was actually brand new. I haven't really been using it. I think I've used it like once. Wing is on, and I'm flying away, honey. Right, I'm gonna put my eyelash glue on, let it marinate a little bit. I'm getting the last little bits that I can out of this eyelash glue. Trust me, it's so finished. Okay, so for the bottom lash, what I'm gonna do, and I'm going to use the same colours that I did at the top because we want cohesiveness, okay? We want cohesiveness. So I'm going to go in with security first. More on the outer corners, I'm going to put security. I'm going to go in with desert vibes, and I'm just stretching it over to the middle, but also on the end as well. Then I'm going in to Get the Shot. I'm going to pick up this color Wild Out, and I'm going to put it at the bottom. Just going to pop my lashes on. My glue should be nice and dry now. Okay. see. I'm gonna put some black liner, just like basically on the waterline where the lashes are. And I'm gonna go into all access. I'm gonna use it as a highlighter. So I'm gonna just pop that here. Okay dolls, so you know what we're gonna do now? We're gonna move on to the lips, and we're gonna just keep the lips real cute and simple, just like a nude little lip. I'm gonna start off with my dark liner. I'm gonna use these two glosses today. This one's from Revolution London, and this is in colour Gone Rogue. So I'm just gonna put this on the outer corners. And I'm gonna go in with the NYX Laundry Gloss in Honeymoon. Add that in the middle. So pleased when the look is complete. I'm gonna just do my hair and I will be back, dolls. So guys, I've just set my spray with the setting spray and I'm gonna add my highlighter. I'm just gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer Highlighter today. So dolls, this is the final look. What are you saying? Are you feeling this look? Let me know in the comments below, dolls. Thank you so much for watching. If you got all the way to the end, I appreciate you, and I will catch you in my next post.